reading and listening.
Bananas. Bananas are a nutritious fruit rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. They aid digestion with their fiber content and serve as a low-calorie, filling snack, ideal for weight management. Bananas also provide antioxidants to fight harmful free radicals, lowering disease risk. They can boost mood and energy by supporting serotonin and dopamine production and offering steady carbohydrates. They're great for workouts, helping replace lost electrolytes, and may even help with heartburn, sleep, and hangovers. Overall, bananas are a smart daily choice for health.